Artwork fly. Guys, if you don't know this artist, you're somehow living under a rock. Look at this madness right here. So look at this madness. I'm not even gonna say nothing more. Look at this. Wow. Out of the madness that she did. Look at that, people. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. And look at where she started. Look at where she started, no? Look there, look there, look there, look there. So, this, guys. Look at that. Don't judge a book by its cover. Alright? Just watch the art process now. Watch it. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.